Looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious meal? Try this easy egg and green peas recipe that's ready in just a few minutes. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and saute until they turn light golden. Add the spices, red chili powder, salt, turmeric. Then add the chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes become soft. Now add the fresh green peas and mix them well with the masala. Add the chopped green chilies and fresh ginger. Now add 1/2 cup of water. Cover the pressure cooker and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Open the pressure cooker and cook until the water has evaporated. Now add the coriander powder and mix well. Next, crack an egg into a bowl and whisk it well. Pour the beaten egg into the peas masala and stir continuously until the egg is fully cooked. Finish with fresh coriander. Your delicious Matar Anda is ready. Serve it hot with fresh roti, paratha, or naan and enjoy every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Cooking Studio for more easy and delicious recipes. Cook with love, serve with happiness. See you in the next recipe.